time now, as most people having fish, so we have lots of escovitch fish. We just let the oil really hot and then put the fish in your frying pan, fry your fish, well done. And when that is finished, we place it on the plate, as you can see, and we do our escovitch with our onions, pepper, and our vinegar. And then we complement the fish with our fry bami.